Hi students, welcome back to online mathematics class. Today we are going to learn operation of integers. Last class we completed exercise 1. Now we are learning operation of integers. Operation of integers means addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. This 4 is operations. Now earlier classes you learn addition and subtraction. This we will be revised first. After that we will learn multiplication and division. Today first we are going to learn addition of integers. Addition of integers means any two positive numbers is there. Positive numbers are there. You must be added. See here, positive number 3, positive number 4. This 2 must be added. 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. Any two negative numbers also you will be added. Minus 3, minus 4. 3 plus 4, 7. This is a negative. That's why you will write a negative number. Again, two different signs are there. Positive and negative. Negative and positive. Anytime two different signs are there, you must be subtract. 3 is a positive integer, minus 4 is a negative integer. When you will be add these two, you must be subtract. 4 and 3 difference is 1. Which sign is a bigger? 4 sign is a bigger. That's why the sign will become here. Which number sign is bigger? That sign symbol only will become after subtraction. Here 3 minus 3 is a negative integer, plus 4 is a positive integer. When the difference is called 4 minus 3 is called 1. Positive number is bigger. That's why you are writing to a positive integer. Like this way you will be do this exercise. First one time you will observe to a exercise 2. Represent the following addition on a number line. First additions you will be observe. After that you will observe on board number lines. First 5 plus 7. This both are positive numbers. When you add 5 plus 7, what is the answer? 12. 5 plus 2. Both are positive numbers. Answer is 7. Next, when you are coming 5 and minus 2. Both are different signs. Different signs is there. What you will do? You must be subtract. 5 minus 2. How much? It is equal to 3. Positive number is bigger, that's why plus 3. Again 5 plus minus 7. In these two have two different signs. You must be subtract. 5 and 7 difference is 2. Which sign is bigger? Minus 7 sign is bigger. That's why the answer is equal to minus 2. Now this we will see on board with number line. Now the addition number line. How to draw means, see here first question. First one, already we have two positive integers are there. 5 is a positive integer, 7 is. When you add, it's a sum is called a 12. Just you draw a number line. Keep the 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. See here, 5. First we are going to positive numbers. That's why positive number side. This is a right side. We observe it. 0 to 5. First we will be go to a 0 to 5. After that, how many numbers? 7 numbers you will be move it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The answer is 12. Therefore, 5 plus 7. The answer is equal to 12. Like this way we will be draw to a number line. When we are positive numbers are adding, the numbers are moving left to right. Left to right. The numbers are moving left side to right side. Positive numbers are there, it will be moved. Next, second question you try to do. Now we are going to a third question. When you observe third question, what is there? 5 plus minus 2. Here, first one is a positive number. You will be add to a negative number. Positive number have you will add to a negative number. You try to draw a same model. 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Just you draw like this one number line. Here positive number have which number you are adding? Here is a positive number you added, but now you will be add to a negative number. First, this is a positive number only. First we are going to a 0 to 5. Left to right you will move. But it will be add to a negative number. When you will be add to a negative number, the numbers are moving to right to left. How many numbers are? 1, 2. 2 numbers are, you will be moved. 5 and 2 difference is 3. So positive number is bigger. That's why this answer is plus 3. 2 numbers are moving. Like this way you will do the same pattern. And second, fourth question also. Now you are observing to a second question. Now you are going to observe second question. Compute the following. These two are positive numbers. Very easy. 7 plus 4 is equal to 11. Here 8 plus minus 3 is a positive number, it's a negative number. Two different signs is there, you must be subtract. 8 and 3 difference is 5. Which number is bigger? Positive number is bigger. That's why this is equal to 5. Similarly, this all sums, try to do it homework. Now we are going to learn subtraction of integers. Subtraction of integers, first you learn these formulas. Minus into plus. Minus into plus. This value is become minus. Minus into plus, this value is equal to minus. Minus into minus, that value is a positive. Plus into minus. Plus into minus, that value is a minus. Minus into plus, that value is equal to minus. These formulas you learn, you have very easy to learn to a subtraction. One example I will show to you. Minus 5 minus of minus 3. Now the situation is minus of minus 3. In this situation, you must be use these formulas. Minus into minus. Minus into minus value is what? Positive. That's why minus 5 minus into minus plus 3. Now you will be do the sum. 5 and 3, two different signs. You must be subtract. Difference is a 2. Which sign is a bigger? Which sign number is bigger? Minus sign number is bigger. That's why the difference is minus 2. Similarly, you will see minus of 5 minus of plus 3. Here see minus and plus. Minus and plus. Minus and plus is there. What sign will come? Minus into plus. That sign is called minus. Minus 5 minus 3. These two are same signs. That answer is minus 8. Two same signs are there. You must be, and already we learned before exercise. Again, plus 5 minus of minus 4. One time observe. Plus 5 minus of minus 4. When the two signs is coming, what you will write? Minus of minus is there. What you will write? Positive. Plus 5 plus 4. Both are same signs. That's why you add it. 5 plus 4, 9 plus 9. Again, plus 5 minus of plus 3. One time observe it. Minus of plus. Minus into plus. Minus into plus. What you will write? Minus. When you observe means plus 5 minus 3. The difference is 2. Which sign is a bigger? Positive sign is bigger. Plus 2. Like this way you will be solved to a subtraction. Now you observe exercise 3. Now exercise 3 number line. First question. First one. 7 minus 2. This you will be shown on a number line. Now 7 is a positive number. Just you draw a number line. Left side negative numbers minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Right side positive numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Like this way first you draw 0. Like this way you do it. When first positive number 7 is a positive number, you move to 0 to 7. Draw a line. 0 to 7. You draw a line. 0 to 7. Left side to right side. Positive numbers always move to a left side to right side. In this 7 onwards, what do you want to subtract? Minus 2. two numbers you want to remove. When the subtraction done, negative number when you add to positive number, it will move to a right to left. 2 points you moved. 1, 2. The answer is plus 5. Answer is a plus 5. Like this way you draw to a number line. Again one more number line. Second question. 8 minus of minus 7. Minus of minus is there. What you will write? 8 plus 7. Minus of minus is there. This value is a plus. Minus into minus plus. 8 plus 7. Now first draw a number line. Keep the 0. Left side negative numbers, right side positive numbers you draw. Now first one is positive number up to 8. Draw a line 0 to 8. Draw a line 0 to 8. 0 to 8. 8 onwards, how many points you want to add? 7 points. Positive numbers always move to left to right. Negative number is there only right to left will. But 2 are positive numbers. All will be moving in left to right direction only. Now see. First we draw a line 0 to 8, one line. After that how many points you want to move? 7 points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 points. The 7 point answer is 15. 8 plus 7 is equal to 15. Like this way you will do remaining number line sums. Now we are going to observe. And then second question also same model, you try to do it. Now we are going to third question. Here they gave third question. One time observe it all of you. What is the third question in exercise 3? Third question is express minus 3, express minus 6 as the sum of a negative integers and a whole number Express minus 6 as the sum of a negative integers and a whole number. Just negative integer plus whole number, that value is equal to minus 6. Negative integer plus whole number, that value is equal to minus 6. Whole numbers means starting with a 0. 6 plus 0, that value is equal to how much? So negative 6 plus 0, minus 6. Again, minus 7 plus 1, minus 6. Minus 8 plus 2 is equal to minus 6. Minus 9 plus 3 is equal to minus 6. Similarly, we will do so many sums like this way. Here asking express minus 6 as the sum of negative integer and a whole number. Negative integer and a whole number. This is equal to minus 6. Minus 6 plus 0. Whole number starting with 0. Minus 6 plus 0. Minus 6. Minus 7 plus 1. Minus 6. Minus 8 plus 2. Minus 6. Minus 9 plus 3. Minus 6. Similarly, you will do remaining sums. This exercise completed. Remaining exercise. This exercise is completed. Remaining exercise we continue on the next class. Stay home. Stay safe. Have a nice day.